Hi, so today we'll be discussing about identity and access management. So first of all, the prerequisite for this is you need to have a AWS account, and that is the AWS management console. And that is the only prerequisite for this. So let's go. What you'll be doing is you'll just go to the services option and you'll just search IAM. That is IAM. That is identity and access management. So what exactly IAM does, IAM allows you to manage users and their level of access to AWS console. It is very, very important to understand identity access management and how it works. It's, both for the exam, that is, if you're preparing for a solution architect course, this is a very, very important topic. And it is also very important while administrating a company's AWS account in the real life environment. So, few more things I would just like to tell you about IAM. IAM is universal. It doesn't apply to any regions in its particular time. So if you go to this global, this option basically tells you about the different regions. So this is, it's even clearly written over here. IAM does not require region selection. So basically, this is a very important question which comes in AWS Solution Architect exam. So yeah, the other four things that you can do using identity and access management, that is, first of all, what exactly are root keys? Root keys are to, the keys with which you can access your account, that is the root account. So what exactly the root account is? Simply the account that is created when you first set up your AWS account. It has complete admin access. So now I'll teach you basically how to create a user. We'll be creating a user and we'll be assigning that user to a particular group. So I just go to manage users, add users. So wait, these are the previous users which I've created. So you go there and you can search developer, or you can let's keep the name coder. So there are two types of access which can be granted to this particular user. AWS, initially new users have no permissions when they are first created. So you'll just select both of these. I'll discuss later on what exactly is the difference between both of these. And it depends what sort of password you want to create. We'll just go next. And now it's asking me to add the user to a group. So I already have few groups created, but what I'll be doing, I'll be creating a new group right now, and I'll just name it, let's say, group for coders. So policy I'm selecting, that is number one, administrator access. It's a basic policy which I'm selecting, and I'll just create the group. And now you can see that the group has been created, and I've selected that group for the user that I'm creating right now. The user isn't created as of now. Next, and just continue. And now once you click create user, you'll get a new user which is assigned to a particular group. So yeah, now you've created a user. These are the secret access keys. You'll have to save these secret access keys somewhere. You can download the CSV file or send email to yourself, because if these keys are lost, the user cannot access the account. So, if you want to access again, you'll have to generate a new key, but this user key can only be generated once for that particular user. So the account is created. I'll show you the way the account has been created. So I created this account, coder, and it is assigned to a group called group for coders. So you can just see it over here, and the groups, it is assigned to this particular group with the permissions. So what exactly these permissions are? This permission basically is a JSON file which I'll be discussing in my later videos. And so finally, we have created a user and assigned that user to a particular group. And we have also few permissions. We have also given created a policy that is administrator access policy for that particular group. So right now that's it for the video, and I'll be discussing more things on my coming videos. Thank you.